how to remove video background in CapCut PC. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove video background in CapCut PC. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing you want to do after you've imported your video onto your timeline is to duplicate it. So press Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it. So we have two of the exact same clip on our timeline, one on top of another. Now if we select the top one and go remove BG and then click on auto removal, it should remove the background. And now let's say we want to add a cool background, and you can find some cool backgrounds under stock materials. Let's use this one. Let's drag and drop it to our timeline in between the two clips. And the other thing I usually add is a transition. So let's just go under animation. Let's go to slide up and you are done. And this is how it will look like. You can see how smooth it is. So that's basically how you can remove video background in CapCut PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.